Good everyone, welcome to Tech Hack. So today I'm going to show you how you can get a free domain and hosting for your WordPress website. Yeah, you heard me right. Free domain and what? And hosting for your WordPress uh, website, basically. Yeah, so I'm sure you're already familiar with getting domain which will cost you money, which is this. So today I'm going to give you an easy alternative you can use. Now, the reason for this easy alternative is because if you want to just start like you testing out things on your WordPress, you're actually beginner, you want to see how things go rather than just getting a domain and hosting, then you can actually use this alternative. So now this is going to be the first part of the video because there are actually two ways you can actually get a free domain name and hosting. So the first one is going to take you less than 10 minutes to actually set up. So I'm going to show you how to go about it, the website to go to and everything. So now when we head over to this place, I'm going to type in taste WP. So just search taste WP or just so now for taste WP, what you're going to be seeing is this see free WordPress hosting. So now when you click on free, the link that is, I'm going to be putting the link in the description below. So now this is basically how it is. They give you, actually use this um, for my trainings, my masterclass training. But now you see this place, you see that the, the functionality of this website is actually really good. And for newbies, actually a very good thing for you because you don't need to start getting domain and hosting when you just practicing. So now you head over to this page, see, read the information, which is still not necessary. But now let me show you how you can get started. Now, to set up your WordPress site, what you just have to do is do not touch this page. Just leave it the way it is by default. So now I always advise people to remove this because there are some things you might be trying to work with, but because of these settings, the there might be problems you might actually encounter. All right, so if you want to migrate to site, this so now you don't need this. You don't need it now. Now you're literally, should I say, promoting this. You understand that literally promoting this. I don't know. So now just agree to terms and conditions. Then click on create site. So within like 10 seconds, you should get your site up and running. So as you can see, so now this is going to be the information. Now you can see why you've gotten your domain name and the hosting. So now you make sure you copy this and put in the information in your notepad. Your notepad. So just paste. I've put in my own information in my notepad. So just click access it now. So now it's going to take me to my dashboard directly rather than going through this process of cPanel, cPanel going into the WordPress manager, this setup. So that'll be for another tutorial entirely how to do that. But now this is our website. Our website is up and running. So now what I always tell people to do is just click. That is basically my student. I just tell them that this information is not in there. So you are given I think 24 hours or 48 hours to make use of this site. Okay, 2 days basically. Yeah, correct. So just click OK, got it. Then just move this, move this, move this, move this, move this, move this. So now let's say we want to visit our site. So you can see over here that right. So this is basically the theme that is by default. So what I always do is I go to post. Now we remove this. Let's move it to trash. Apply. I'll go to pages. So remove this also. Apply. Now we go to appearance. Now you see by default, what you're going to see is the theme that we installed. Now remember the theme. Let me just close this. So remember this particular theme. This was the theme that we selected. So that's what you see in the 2020. So now what you just do is add new. Now there are themes that actually come with demo import data. So now those themes actually what you need to get started with as a beginner. So now what we have is Astra. So I recommend Astra because of it's mobile friendly and it is super fast in loading. That is the speed and mobile friendly. Everything you need is actually good. Now there are other themes you can actually work with. They actually played with popular effects and so on. But now we're going to be making of Astra. So we're going to click install. Then I'll click on activate. So now, once we activate it, the default theme we have is going to be deactivated. So what we're going to do now is just delete this. So now we have Astra. So now what we need to do now is starter template. We're going to make use of a starter template available to us. So all right, so we're going to head over to this place. So you select build your website. So I myself, I personally recommend Elementor because of the easy functionality and work. I haven't tried using this, but I've used this and actually faced some technical. Now, for beginners, I really do not recommend this tool. I really do not recommend it, but you can go with Elementor because Elementor is actually super easy to use. So what we're going to do now is to first is I think Astra has like a problem, like this new update they do. It doesn't, the template doesn't load immediately. So just reload. And so if you experience such issue whereby it's not loading, what you just do, just click this section here, just click on it, click this, and it's going to reload. You understand? So rather than doing this, which was the mistake I made earlier on. So now we have the free and premium. So what we're just going to do now is that's a one-step set up online store. So we can actually just go for let's go with this. First something else. So let's use this, which is Skin Cleanser Store. So now what you told or what you be asked to is to fill in your like upload your logo. That's if you already have a logo. Now if you do not have, please just ignore this, just keep and continue. So now they'll tell you to choose the default color. So just continue. Fill in the information. Just all right. So submit email details. So just give it some time. And so you can see over here your website is ready and it took 32 seconds to view. And once I click on view my website, you're going to see that the theme I chose was going to be available over here. Basically, this is the theme I chose, which is for the store, for the online store. So this is it. Now we can edit all this. So now let's remove, let's just, let's close this. Okay. So what I just do is just go back to export. So now once you click on any of these things, it's going to, so let's just do sorry. Just fluctuate it. All right. So here you go. Your website is up and running. Your website is up and running. Now, take note, everything you see over here can be predicted. Yes. So now, while we're waiting for it to import, so basically what I started simply to do was import the necessary things you actually need to get your online store up and running. This is an online store and you're into skincare products. You can actually pick this thing and edit to your taste. Everything can be edited. So now let's just edit it alone. So let me just show you a quick way of doing that. Now, while we're waiting for this to load, so you can see over in the WooCommerce setups, just fill in the information over here, which is once you start selling, you ask this informations you actually need. Just follow the procedure and good to go. Good to go. So, like I always say, WordPress is an open source which you can use to do various things. So, because of this tutorial, I'm just showing you how you can actually get a free domain and hosting. This is the first part of it. So now you can see over here, we can edit this to our taste. So just change it to right. So here you go. So now you can actually do it this way. But I always advise anyone that actually building a website that you always, always put your stuff on, which is the mobile view while editing, so you can see how your stuff looks like. You understand? So go with this or something. Let's see, let's leave it this way. Then change it to this. So click updates. Let's click updates. So now for this product or what you're seeing here, like I said, you can edit everything. Everything can be edited. So what we're just going to do now is for this, how they arrive at this, there's a code you're going to put in. So now to get that code, what you just have to do is you need to know the products. So head over to this. Now you were given this a demo data. So basically it came with other functionalities. Understand? It came with other functionalities. So I think I would have to stop here because I don't want to exceed the time limit for this tutorial. But basically, this is how to go about it. To get a domain, to get a hosting, just make use of this WP. And if you have any question, please do not forget to drop it in the comment section. And if you're new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe, hit the like button so I would know that you actually love the content that I put out here. Thank you.